Folks, let's get real for a sec. Welcome back to FutureWise Energy. I'm Mark Roach, and today we're tackling a beast of a question. Can today's fancy tools, AI, computers, all that jazz, predict where energy is headed? We've got tech whizzes promising to map tomorrow like it's a deal that's been done. But me, I'm skeptical. I've been in the trenches of this game long enough to know the future's less a blueprint and more of a bar fight, half plan, half chaos. To unpack this, I'm riffing off of E.F. Schumacher's Small is Beautiful, a brainy little gem from 1973 that still packs a punch. Grab a seat. Here's the rundown. Schumacher kicks off with a zinger. We've got more planners and gizmos claiming to foretell the future than ever. Sound familiar? Today, we've got algorithms spitting out solar growth curves and wind turbine stats, even gas price guesses. Back in the day, the Chinese flipped through the I Ching, the oldest book going. Betting change had a rhythm, like a time to digging wells, a time to cap them. Greeks had their oracles whispering secrets. Us, we've got silicon brains humming in server rooms. But here's the raw truth. Those old ways leaned on gut and soul qualities. Our machines, they're all about numbers and quantities. The oracle said, know yourself. A computer, know my code, or good luck, pal. Now, Schumacher's got a bone to pick with those future-telling toys. They assume tomorrow's already locked in, just waiting for us to zoom in with better lenses. Think about that. If next year's grid load or oil barrel count is set in stone, why sweat it? Just plug in the data and sip a coffee. But I've seen rigs pivot on a dime, weather, politics, some wildcat's hunch. Schumacher figures the big man upstairs mixed it up on purpose. Some stuff's running like clockwork. Some's a roll of the dice. Too predictable, and we'd snooze through life, knowing the ending. Too random, and we'd chuck it all in despair. In energy, that's the gig. Solar's a steady climb. Sure, I can chart that. But a fusion breakthrough or a green law shaking up the boardroom, that's where the dice hit the table. And here's where we get practical. On FutureWise Energy, we're not just gawking, we're sorting what's guessable from what's ours to really forge. Take wind power. Costs drop, blades spin faster, numbers stack up. That's a safe bet with today's tools, but a dictator choking oil lines or a kid in a garage cracking cheap batteries, that's wild stuff. Human spark messaging with the math. Schumacher says planners drool over these machines, yet they're banking on their own moves bending the arc. Picture this. An AI hums, cold toast by 2040. Does it see a protest shutting rigs down? Or me deciding to push hydro instead? Nah, it's a snapshot, not the movie. Schumacher gets downright ornery about words. We toss around forecast, plan, estimate like they're all cousins, and it's a mess. In this game, clarity's king. A forecast says gas hits $4 per million by 2030. A plan says I'm drilling to make it $4. One's a peak at what might roll in. The other's me swinging a hammer. Mix them up and you're sunk. Look at Britain's 1965 national plan. Bunches of guesses dressed as orders and it flopped. If you've seen it on rigs, you don't call a weather report your shift schedule. Schumacher's got this grid. Acts versus events. Past versus future. Sure, versus shaky. Last year's solar haul? Solid fact. Next year's? Dicey call. My vow to go off grid? That's my play. Till I change my tune. Let's talk the gear. Computers chew through data like a roughneck through a sandwich. Grid stats, weather logs, market dips. They're slick, fast, and tempting as all get out, but Schumacher's calling it like he sees it. Precision ain't the gospel. A tight curve of past oil pulls doesn't mean squat if a war flips the board. Short term, like next year's hydro flow, crude guesses beat overcooked models every time. I know this season's floods were nuts. Next year's probably leaner. No AI needed. Long term, 5, 10 years, trickier. Gas chugging along at 100 BCF a day could hit a wall if policy shifts. Schumacher's no fan of over-polishing. Give me a napkin sketch over a shiny graph any day. Makes you think, not just nod. Here's the kicker. It's all tied to freedom. Schumacher says that if everything's gear and levers, sun rising, turbines humming, predictions a breeze. But us humans, we're the spanner in the works. Most folks flip switches on autopilot. Big data's got that pegged. But the game changers, the ones who ditch coal or bet on tidal, they don't toe the line. I've watched startups turn scraps into power while suits in boardrooms clutch pearls. That's unpredictable because it's free. Schumacher laughs at eggheads treating energies like physics, waiting for their Kepler moment. Physics don't vote, we do. A study might say we go carbon zero by 2050. Tech's there. But will we? Will we? It's not a number. That's a fight. So, what's the play for FutureWise Energy? These tools, AI models, they're sidekicks, not seers, great for what ifs, like if wind grows 5%, where's 2040? That's a compass, not a cage. We need studies that dig deep, not dazzle. Could geothermal juice half the grid by 2100? What's the steel, the sweat, the deals? That's meatier than some guru saying it'll happen. Schumacher got it. Lean too hard on machines, and you're just playing dress up. Piles of stats, no spine. Me, I'd rather wrestle the real thing than trust a screen to call the shots. Schumacher leaves us grinning. Life and energy stays juicy because it's a wild ride. No gadgets pinning it down. We're not just along for the haul, we're steering. Tools show the fences, how much juice we've got to burn, but the path? That's ours. Here, we'll keep digging, not to nail tomorrow, but to build it. What's your take? Can we map the beast, or can we ride it blind? Hit me below. Till next time, keep your boots on and your eyes open. Mark Roach, FutureWise Energy, signing off.